When doing windshield repairs, the time will come when you go out and look for a new location. A lot of technicians struggle with, how do I find a new location? What do I say when I get to the location? And how does the payment work out for me being at that location? So here's a couple of tips that should help you out. First, do your homework. Make sure that location doesn't do windshield repairs. Secondly, if you can find a high traffic area, that will be a plus for you. The more vehicles you see, the more potential business you can get when doing windshield repairs. And then, if you can find a spot where people go to that because they care about their vehicles, that's a plus. So lube shops, car washes, car dealerships, those type places, people care about their vehicle. They're going there to get their vehicle serviced. So you talking to them about windshield repair isn't out of the ordinary. So when you get to the location, what do you say to them? Well, when you go in, it's best to talk to them about how you can help them and how you can complement the services that they offer. Don't go in and just be that guy just trying to do windshield repairs and offering a service. So here's an example that you can use. This is a popular lube shop here. Their bread and butter is doing oil changes. So my bread and butter is doing windshield repair. Those two things complement one another and don't take away from one another. So that's an easy way of going in and pitching yourself and your services to them and not taking away from their existing business that they have. Next, a lot of people get caught up in, what do I pay for that location? Some people pay weekly fees, some people pay daily fees, some people pay monthly fees, some people actually pay per invoice. You have to figure out which one works best for your business model. But when starting out, it is a good idea to go this route. I will pay you 10% of my total invoice. Therefore, if I don't do a repair, I don't owe them anything. So I'm not caught up in this weekly or daily fee that I'm having to pay, and I might have been out of some money because I didn't do a repair at all that day. So going in, I do 5 repairs today. I charge $100 a repair. I pay 10% of all those repairs. That's the easy way of looking at it. That can be helpful and hurtful because now they know how much money you're making and how many repairs you actually did. So they could potentially do the service themselves, but you have to look on the bright side. They didn't do the service before for a reason. And you got to trust yourself, trust your skill set, and just have that belief that they're going to do right by you because you're going to do right by them. So those are some examples on how to get on at a lube shop. If this video has been helpful to you, hit that subscribe button below. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.